Supply Chain Management (SCM) and Logistics. Part 1 of 12. This module introduces viewers to the field of SCM. It describes the complex supply chain of a simple product, a bottle of water. The video also illustrates the importance of SCM and their skill sets in our modern global economy for both manufacturing and service industries. In defining supply chain management, the video also hopes to educate and inspire business students, young and old, about the opportunities available to those with SCM degrees. What will I learn? 3. Logistics management, supply chain management, transportation, air cargo, ocean cargo, FCL, LCL, export-import, documentation, warehousing, inventory management, economic order quantity, EOQ, ABC analysis, safety stock. 2. This course on the business of logistics and transportation in supply chain management will open a student's mind to the great journey of packages as they move around the world through the various steps of export, import, warehousing, and inventory management. Through this course, students will learn the concepts and terms used in logistics and supply chain management. How to plan and execute an air shipment. How to plan and execute an ocean shipment. Things to know about air and ocean shipment rules, regulations, and events that might occur during the process. How to negotiate to price. How to carry out import-export trade deals and negotiations. Know how to prepare your export documentation, filling up a commercial invoice, sales contract, purchase contract, how to obtain a certificate of origin and certificate of conformity, export procedures, and documentation. Have an understanding of inventory management and warehousing and become a confident supply chain and logistics manager.